The winter wind howled across the endless plains, cutting through flesh and bone like a knife. Minsk, Smolensk, and Kiev, entire Soviet armies were encircled and swept aside. To many German officers, it was Sims. In October, Hitler launched Operation Typhoon, the great drive toward Moscow. But soon, autumn rains turned the earth to liquid mud. Tanks and trucks sank deep. Supply lines faltered. As the front pressed closer, Moscow braced itself for a stand. The city's leadership. By late November, advance patrols could glimpse Moscow's distant skyline. Outlying villages fell briefly into enemy hands. Then, in early December, the Red Army struck back. Fresh divisions, hardened by Siberian winters, surged against the frozen invaders. Through the bitter winter, the invaders fell back. Frostbitten and starving, they left thousands of vehicles abandoned in the snow. The failure to take Moscow marked the first great turning point of the war in the east. Sicilies. The setback before Moscow ended the illusion of a quick victory. For the first time, the invading force. The winter before Moscow was only the beginning. In the months ahead, the Eastern Front stretched into a war of staggering scale. The struggle now shifted south, toward the Great Bend of the Volga. Here, in the city of Stalingrad. By late summer, the battle for Stalingrad began. Streets became front lines, factories turned into distances. In Stalingrad, the battlefield was measured in rooms, stairwells, and broken walls. Every street became a... As winter closed in, the siege deepened its grip. Hunger and frost claimed their toll. Then came the counterblow. From north and south, Soviet armies surged across the steppe.
Inside the encirclement, hardship deepened with each passing day. Supplies dwindled, the cold...
Stalingrad was left in ruins, but its outcome reshaped the war. From the frozen streets of the